This is my play kit that I had put together for my child. So she very much enjoys painting and being creative. So I thought a fun thing to do would get her a little art kit. So in it, it has a little smock, a tiny easel so that she can do her artwork on that if she'd like to, or she can just do it on the table, however she decides to be creative. A bunch of little paint tubes, a tiny art paint palette, a baggie of a bunch of paintbrushes, and a couple of small canvases that are individually wrapped so she can take one out as needed. I thought this would be a great way for her to have some fun at home and have some creativity. Thank you very much.